yeah. Then clap your hands like there was a million mosquitoes in here. Jump like you was some crazy act right here. Party people, show me how you feeling back there. Do you wanna party boogie? Then get out your chair. The big baby began to shake her rear. Call me whatever you want, but don't call me Sid. Black Musketeer, I swear, I do declare this year definitely my year. So cheer, 'cause that's all the boy really wanna hear. But beware, no fear. I see the jealousy everywhere. I work for myself, so you can't tell me nothing. Now who's laughing? I told you the plan, kid. You thought I was bluffing. Never say die till the bones are right. I dropped one album, now everybody rapping it. Opposition digging it, got your mother screaming it. I got the youth backing it. Got the feeling when I'm talking. Don't care if you drive a truck, see glass or you walking. Respect yourself, 'cause I'm watching. 'Cause my style is shocking. Got the clock ticking. Yo, tell me, I be the number one secret weapon in Africa. I'm open for discussions. Now tell me.
Comedian, my baby, my friend. And I come to the voice of my casa. What can you hear me now? You know about the drink on my kitchen. Oh, Selena, I hold my true for you. Made it my friend, my dingo. Yeah, casa. Now I see what I say. Hello, hello. You know, didn't come back to me, but what's like I say? My kind of what I am, so you know, never be someone that's sunny and it will see you. Now, my casa, hello, casa, you know, tell the face of community, I don't them bad bits, hello, casa, my phone, tell the face of community.
I like a double decker, and then you need good morning. Now I just so hello, darling. Share my shame, I pay watch it, Obi Banya, Mitch, wash it. Now the manche, one a Benya, Lord Kenya, Meconia, slow but sure, Ayapio, and Yankonia, makes a brain, I mean, and sing from Kenya, Messiah, hallelujah, man. I want my princess Diana, this the Kenya, yeah.
Ni bi ni wo fio wo juo tamoba wala ni wo juo wo shijama ke kogon ke aje choko na joko akoko ka doko na shale ni shakbe meni sanene ajoko elaje change and try wo joke gbe na ajoko duku ike fo no we to mi ne negbe manaleye ashale botwe ha na fio ne ni ashale nken shanu ake shakbe
Messi. English Amash. I am the amity. Debbie and my leg. Calambu Menes. We are crack moves a man. Madame K. What time against a pew. Fool. Coming to school. That you can do. Homework done. You must do. Again. A pew. What put me a comment? My first copy book. Write yourself. Me and me myself, baby. Me do P4. Robert, that's how I'm Ghana. Milimuka. And not keep me teach about Mr. Capucci. What's your baby? Are you ready? From the school forever and ever. Hey, who are failing me? Nanso, me and my near the Patapa. Now me call P5 and P6. I was crack with something and I was beating the children's. Coming on the pot. Me give me coming on the pot. Me go up here. I tell them I'm the bar. JSS. Me come in that drawing. Come in that sketch. I have been okay. It's life. I don't know. I don't know about Betty. Me go B1, go B2, go B3, me go B4, and when I'm on a Sanqua, it give me free B4, go B5, go B6, yes, school ya Lydia bread, my bread, Junior secondary school, yes, one of my blue, one in the movie, or Bama, Baba, in the movie, so fun, but has about Coca-Cola ship. Why are the lessons? You have a group who be a department to about them and no addition. First, pilot. So you're about the school there, moon to other. You're sitting at Yard, Banquine, Telesa, and a man about them. Now I'm saying, would you hear a TV, a mark professor, and my doctors, and my dear band, yeah, what man I do, women I do better. Dear man, what's I don't know. Education is the key. Me, man, fee. Why? Gentleman pass, E, Santai, SSE, Alane, Abofi, my body, questions, Yamake, Yaba, Quade, my belly, I would have been a member. Madame me go B1, go B2, go B3, me go B4, and when I'm on a Sanqua, it give me free B4, go B5, go B6, yes, school ya Lydia bread, and to be my bread. Me go B1, go B2, go B3, and do B4, and when I'm on a Sanqua.
Show Charlie Radio's right this deep. He said me take up and I post it.
La sopadora me de makuma nyina mamfa me brother de me papa so afaola it is see when the problem
Radio papa
me de makuma nyina mamfa me brother de me papa so afaola it is see when the problem
La sopadora tuntuma wo fe wodini wa hu ofene se o abotere odo no so yo do kan mempe we na me pede ben ko bi ni mo ne kra woni mi ne bedi wonyo ba hu maso afensusu wochi wa japan inturo ye kume kra woni hu ni se me ho time mi ni sikanso enya wodadwene me don't kwane hewo. As for my ebusiafo,
they all like you.
If you come a graduate tunti uba mi fia, enya dia obeko. When you natural me say, majiwa tu makawola woni problem entity. My emu say we ya media, o hema la sapadora.
La sapadora. Me de makuma nyina mamfa.
I
Manola media, one media, I dare me, yeah, me didn't want me to see it. Winty, me da amina. I can't stand it. To me, I'm wrestle 17 me get a car. The Germany and so me who will be just a war. So say, what drink this one? Missing me, TNT, go for no BM order. Maji went to my breakfast quarter. A phenomenon who sell Odomugua, who don't get tomatoes, Marco Pebiato. Jimmy D, say, Mene, one echo, Yami Boko Boko Nessa, Mayama Bombo.
My bread. Bring of your sour.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
My breath. In your piazza, my 90, my breath. Abraham Miraho, Brava Sow, Ebe Frau, Ebe Show. A charming Masanaba, beautiful music by Kofi Chiamin and Chiame Kwame. Good music, Masanaba, and that brings us to exactly 30 after 10. And it's a big Friday here on the 3.3 FM, of course. 28th day in the month January 2022, and of course, just about 3 more days to say goodbye to January. And I'm still wondering why this particular month has, ended very soon. Because hey, you all bear witness. Say January there, it won't bear 470 days, but this January has taken us all by surprise. Folks, I hope you all doing good. Habari yako. Come because of mechanism here. Make car practice. Hey, yeah, get that gas up, you man. I got you. And that's Sammy's boss. Same flow, same rhythm. Right up here. Obian what to say any Friday about Radio Subio. And we are here to serve God and country, of course. We're here to do our best. And we're here to make you happy. If you speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Antete, if you speak F1, if you speak Budekupo FM, I was there Fralawune. If you speak Grushi Quit, if you speak in Zaman called the Fancy 4 today. And then you fear that. Hey. And this is what people call Freestyle Friday. Freaky Funky Friday. But I call these days Big Friday. You know why? Charlie, with the cool weekend that. So the balling and sitting for start this evening. Big shout out to Roberta. I don't Roberta, big shout out. Right, so as usual, my usual norm. Let me say good morning to all my super duper taxi drivers. Brad David, good morning. Apasco, good morning. Stagawan, good morning. Raouf, good morning. Obatine, good morning. Super, good morning. Omubadem, good morning. Ken Ratsi, Papa B, good morning. Obama, good morning. Staga, now my candidate. Staga, good morning. One beer. Apasco, good morning. Right, Weezy. Hey, Weezy, good morning. And now I cry. Anika, good morning, because yes, when come on my fashion designer. Yes, he did. Mr. Orbin. Me pa try and answer about GD. And then see Judy Vaso. Judy. Now, and then no Judy no yane. Sim stress from one. At the pound former. Me pa chote ni pa. Yani at the pound former. Hey, Shaba Bominum. Hey, TV Patrol, so Pomadi and now your bank one day your phone ready. Uni credits a copebito. Go by Judy. Over chair, baby, I will share. Baby, I will share or Pomadi. Or store the demon or true good him. Who apprentice is saying, one can start from where Madame and I say, oh, yeah, apprentice. And no be a virginity. Offer us out in my back pass. I said that on the Judy searchment, you know. And it seems stress. But what's your ear part? Me can't tell her for. And it's all Pama Nasa, we are Bema Misro. And then me a post cacra. We are Bema now, Pama, dear me patch up. Me a post cacra. And I say, because then any Emana. Right, so 33 after 10 is still tuned into 93.3 of Juma. And of course, and I need seamstress for neighbor boy Juma. Oh, Pamadnas or your bar. Michelle, you can't tell her for, yes, it's seamstress. And it's all your bar now, Pamadian Quanda Yakrado. You're ready, pa. Because I know about Judy. Madame of Fraud me bon color in yading. Or colors of what in my back pass in the idea. Che baby, I'm a chef. O Pama mana me manyoma. And then GD and I'm saying near Friday. It's your mana. Alright, so I'll bring you motivational message, but let me tell you this. Live your life the way that you want to live it. Don't let others or don't let other people live it for you. It be some way, be sometimes people want to live our lives for us. It be some way there. Alright, so Big Friday 93.3 FM, that's the Lumba the background. And I hope you're ready. I'll bring you motivational message in a jiffy. Big thank you to my team of producers. Akosia de Padumas, DJ Shabu, Mr. Charles, Nana Topahe, Agege man, and my man Kobe K. And we're here from now to 12 p.m. Folks, we hope you all do you good. Hope you all do you good. Hope you all do you good. Alright, so big shouts to Rejoice, Fiabim, and Jaden. Naminchia, one taxi driver be. You see a new name, but you try to catch Nyame Akasa. Nyame Akasa. Nyame Akasa. You see the word now. Oh, tia mid morning is in driver be. Nyame Akasa. Hello, baby. Good morning. Yes, you will do from down to SDA, main station, another call SDA. Ya cho catching Yamia Casa, yes, you see mid morning in Chinobia. And Robin a surprise, one, but one as I would him. Or tie for car, they be our phobia, I would say. I say, would see me, Yamano. I'll say, be cow to me, I know, Chamami. And Tinamia Casa, Michiano, pay good morning. Or what to say? Maybe I'll call Niati. Make sure. Somebody ready for me? Alright, so let's go. Daddy Lumba in the background. What bomb in the paper?
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hey,
morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
It's a genuine son. Nipa, what's the Arian? When I'm it's a genuine son. What's the Arian? When I'm it's a genuine son. If you're pass once I'm a Binayan, when I'm Send a woman, I can't win some now. When I'm Send a woman, I didn't still be open. When I'm Sabana Santa Man, Nejano Kunsin once be. Say, when you have a got a map and some, now so I could remember your turn. Can I be in a zone? I'm in parent. And when a bride goes through in a son of the far as on the blood. Can I be in a zone? I'm in parent. I can't ever does in your papa do ya. Oh, I'm
No man, yes, see macho. Yes, see macho. Oh my, yes, see macho pa. It's here and I'm my brother. Yes, see mu. The dada you need. You need me where you drew. You need your transportation our sound. So you fool on so our sound. Me to me chre. I think I'm penny for ya. And I just go pombe. So your time so now power come I just say I'm Ghana. You see much papa. So you read history of school. You know what read history we have say crow you see much. You see much papa. Me dem ya so say your tire pile. I me say you need jack and ya waka no move. In fact you need spare tire. You was spare tire jack and can you two back on that fix for fro. And can you near kono. Name by and I won't Ginny. Oh, you name by all. Name by your pa. Panamo. Oh, we. And I am your remiss. Name by ye, Yam. Imovia. What I can't tell you. I can't tell you we live in. I think the last 2 days or something, I read something on the internet. Is it Guinea-Bissau now? I'm a president, no catch up with it. African company, I'm going to money, I'm mobile with tennis. So I read something, Papa can say, okay, you see this kind of mom there. anya de am worry pen and they non call the hwehwam no makọ fuck up number na mom sika na ode ma mo na cover quarter finals and semi finals and finals and the money baba some ko group stage it is a honum sika na de mo fa ba quarter finals man ko semi finals man ko finals na kra mo ndru it is that sika na de ya de am de baba but our country imofia you crow way team now 1 point spend here by o see your first cancer anya dey sika no Samuel cry hu be kure nam opa ye musa sisi ye ka somo be account mo obi ye nimbe bia de na me sure say den ya ye mom sika be cover semi finals ne ade obo a ye hu be bia be fa e kuro we ye see much rough wanya me be sometimes people say nyame no be ye no nyame be ya England nyame ya na me dada na ya nimu na wagana haya na no be ya na nyame fufuro bi ebefa bye me motivational message young motivational message this now for young proper nice man maka just say ene no yeni sim stressful na be ya jiudino na jiudino ni sim stressful na eko ti be pa just so wutie mi shamre na se ko pama de o yo banko ade a o so wutie pe credit ni ready o ba frɛ o ba jiudin baby a o hye ne ade nya ma yehu na Kala Studios se bra na be ye mfoni papa wana so endra obi send me pictures mienu ono na picture ba ko na fine lady bi so de ba ko and I'm saying na Jonah pictures me fanya den o se chale na me ya do man next week Saturday e wari o and I'm saying na you save the date picture bro me the phone be as basa member come on save the date picture out to me what send o picture bia with bench bi so and oba na dey say no tikube o say no obi na tema no we save the date papa member dem now prepare ready now we save the date people now to me here ya bad ya wan sha galini moko pa na we twama ye di wa efro na say member gra it's not the bia make Kala Studios in the one say masa ko Kala sisi ada ko save the dates and ready me was send me neat picture we pa as now Kala no ye Japan am masa jawa self pepe ku ko Kala Studios and negative embroidery ko ye wedding photography pre-birthdays and a photo shoot ni wedding ni ade nyina ko Kala Studios after banan tade and so school crest church lacrosse face taro cap embroidery ni obey friend was 0245276638 watch more than 0245276638 opposite Liberty Transport. Now so don't feel bad if you love the wrong person. Instead be thankful, because just like exam, every wrong answer makes you realize the right one. And then you crash as a money. Say ni pebu abrabo na feel say what don't go what I say? You see sometimes with me one answer to me realize you say nipa we there me twa wrong meat. Na nke ni kwa say ka me mama ho kwan ma nipa bi se eba ma brabo me twa wrong meat. Ba no pay me catch us eti. Aye ma ne nyo ya se safo ne ba wa brabo. Na mom da Nyankopon ase because it is sense so hwa ye tro. And it is a class test at your school. With you, you might be a correction. And my who said next time no uncle shady A, my mom answer ne ube shady B, it will be ho. And she said, Obiba or brabo in maybe a chum. Naso qua, Passadamania me say, or the sunny paneba or brabo, not or didn't be corrective mistakes. Send a bear next time, no. When you are going in for a friend or a partner, you will choose wisely, you will choose carefully. So don't ever feel bad if you ever loved a wrong person. Don't ever feel bad, but instead be thankful. And yet the same about cultural wasi. I'm far away from of deck, me boy. The next time, no be say a question with me shada. Mami swerve. Hey, Brawe, me hunde sasu pen say ya, hey, mami swerve. Jam me home. We want to makoma. We be buno. What baby afa? We go say, hey, Charlie sister, hey, me hunde sasu pen. She. Oba na on ne away o me hu be pen. Wey, Mr. No swerve needs. Ana hu ni pa bia. Adamfo se hwe boy my father for bi sa pen o. Na no, wo concern intro. What baby afa? And this any pa bi sa ba wabrabo ma fa sada manyame. So ne ba wabrabo. Se ne be ya wo be hu ekwan ya wo be fa so next time. Won fa ni pa sa adamfo. It's no payment crash asem na etiatia. So wrong person you about wabrabo ma. Be thankful because that wrong person no. But to say exam. The boy no correct your mistake. Now who next time? Answer will be shady. And I will payment crash as no. The motivational message no. Now fix man capsules. I watch more than Chrome Hanum. In fact, drugstore be able to be able to be at all. I watch more than Chrome had it. Drugstore be Obenya fix man capsules at all. And now for so I'm the fix Arabella mixture so the aba. So we fix Arabella ointment. We air skin rashes, heat rashes and a foot rot near the lentema pro. Pepper Joe also compare fix Arabella ointment in the fastra. Baby you 90 more. Ugaria. Baby strasha baby baby in Camboni be a free office so honam any sawa ninya sibetu e be share see the amount. So fix mala mixture. Fix mala mixture eyama malaria fever tipai oh asa what egu so ni ade awon mom ewom saba but we hu se wo de no asa bro so ni ade sana me fajo tumi kan tempa kwachi madan drugstore bia okwa wo se open fix mala mixture e do boye pa open bebre nsu etu akoton a ko fix herbal for aso ye wa dental cantamanso ana se ko okanshi Kings Walk Helba, Angel Helba, Nana Boachi Helba, and our face Kodibia Enterprise. A shaman, a wisdom Helba, Kaswaya Tribe of Judah. Our friend was 0208 444442. 0208 444442. And our friend was 0302 902 071. Amaje Helba Clinic is a brass, he say, to Trimika Bra. Amaje Herbal Clinic and I want sour yare, typhoid, dubitua, gonorrhea, menstrual problem, kidney problem, hepatitis B and C, infertility. Then now be to us here the amount. The Amaje says a yarena come to watch it, and I would don't be na yarena cannot to watch out. Miss Rock, and Fanan Koyano Monchain, Panabra Amaje Herbal Clinic. But to Trimika is in a Fanabra now for just saw yare. You watch more than Boabo Quantum Ponso opposite gas filling station, the Red Cross Junction, and I'll be here for 0244 877-840, 0244 877-840, 0205 045 665, 0205 045 665. Amaje Herbal Clinic ana. Ose wire resefi. ODI Electronics. ODI Electronics. If I open TV at all, open fridge, deep freezer, tabletop, near the gas cooker, blender, kettles, washing machines. Open the anebo at that form. Mr. ODI Electronics. Your number one stop shop for all quality home appliances. Mr. Man Kwan Crank Oboka, Lolo Fenia, dear. Brachum Abuabo and Hinkai FM Haya. Oba also share ODI Electronics in Penny for Mr. Obe who am now face, Sabia who be on no macan. And your money na nobody that form boko. Open so I would choose see product open. You can pay it in installments. we trying to stop copy himself with you. Now, if you have a foul item, Eddie Akofie, ODI Electronics, dealing in all quality products. It's Mr. Brachim Abuabo, Ahinkan FM front bags. Oba no be who a brand and not one and a phone say, you know. Ube who now feel one in common idea. Also, bet to me a 0550 900 600. 0550 900 600. Ahinkan sounds say ye co weekend. So men people home kwaje ya no de ni bi. Boom 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 na base na e blow. Boom 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 na titis atiko. Boom 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 na fe e jakra fa de ni mu. Men people home kwa ya no nche. The far Ahinkan sounds. Ahinkan sounds. Kwa ye program I for a year. Engagement. In fact, birthday parties. Maybe I now crowd the one year. Oh, happens a woman with Nijika again. But it's a good them crana bombia. Remember, yes, say the Ubon same cry about. Maybe say Ubon same pa, the me here some matter sound. Never. Never try for 0543 350934. 0543 350934 and 0542 741651. Kayen tum to say in boost Helba mixture police in your drew and obi other friend or drugstore be having you better. Mr. Ogopebito the boost the immune system because it helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease and malfunctions that affect the body. And Michelle say chronic disease. Boost will help you to get relief of all and also very good for both the strong and the sick. So Boost is available in all herbal shops, in all pharmacies and also in all drugstores. Mr. Wachema dan Chroma baby Ibuso. Okwa also open police in your room. Boost herbal mixture. My patch of 0246 208 496. 0246208496 and at 0540710113 0540710113. We'll try out to see ya. Now trying to say oh my try home bra but still make I say and Judin ebebaso Judin and no pama dear your bank one dear Joe by Judin baby I should be able Judin. Ofranya botre boarding maybe I'll store the say what when him saying opama man and mema dear in fact juma anyone ye boy juma and pesi can go to I say so 93.3 of them your friend Kobina Costi apprenti for the perfect gentleman obia festival say as my sexy and pay o say because na ye boko what the sound, you dance on young Kwani. Where there's an iron Kwani. Our baby. Massa men testing some message in the
I know bitters here, Droby, and Mississippi, I am a yay, and so men no man no bitters, no. A boy, I don't know Manumbi. I'm a twice in Tinimuna and a chimney. I can tell a pan and wish a shimmy, said the Yamia Domina, a giant.
Madrono aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom one bottle ti say me no yire da be 30 minutes nti madrono de eye pa fan fabra mo
me din de ya mensa e to anobites e kono me ne ka so aboa me pa na me sisi na ye me ya na beto no mo ye eno me no mo ye e ko bibia ko kama de say me tin bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yire ehia mu a sisia na me ho asani me e ma me tumrika Toby, me no me no, yare no, ako.
I shall not be person in the as it is here, so no me now. May catch will be on the man of it, say, may papa, a big one, and a yari be on. I know her bad bitters, and I know her bad capsules. And you could be a Tony me and a bomb, Ubanya Biato, Atimoda, or Chiniba, Drasto, and a Ghana, Drasto Bia, her bash of Bia, Ubanya be ato. No bitters, no bitters.
Our for me will good news be at the mamo. So when him say, and cannon, se obako private nursing school a we yam hyehyw se ebia na wonya adwumani Ghana ban adarumenti sade no atwem eno nti se opese oba be ye dachi nurse ni kese pandia ene me kanfo Bimas College at the amount esuku fees at the form boko ye courses BT say BSc nursing, diploma in registered midwifery, diploma in registered general nursing, diploma in medical laboratory technology, certificate in family healthcare near etwa to okra ye certificate in professional IT bra na yen show computer software ni hardware and afi camera installation admission ewo homa woma wonya 6 passes ewo wasi in sohwemu Bimas College wo affordable and moderate hostel ema woma wo free echiri eba ye wo spacious lecture halls and a library na wonim student bia wo ho kwan se wogi loan make student trust loan with Ghana card enti umpewe na upede Bimas College wo Agona Swedru ye ben Swedru School of Business. For more enquiries contact our email on info@bimascollegegh.com or visit our website www.bimascollegegh.com. Over to me afreyen it was 0551 528 154 0546 264 129 and now 0332 095 776. Bimas College yateti adachi anese for papa.
Enra home Mishia Madam for COVID tilapia no kita ade bi ye call I say to kopo remote bibisa no say your phone wait your phone brapa Golden Phones your promotion at the nyoma so abode now we use swear to kopo remote Golden Phones at the promotion sales brought from now going and only the only shop obenya quality phones and accessories our Ghana ha enti tremikana kwaji wo Tecno Infinix Huawei Itel Samsung LG Nokia iPhone SQ any phone be out here at low price. Me say a low price. We have memory card, pen drive, power charger, power bank, quality inbuilt battery, MP3 player, Bluetooth handset, accessory brain out here, and one Golden Phones. A promotion. Yeah, tetes who say who Golden Phones. They be a Fidelity Smart account amount for depositing and withdrawal. Wasim for Subo Golden Phones or Bronsana Water Credit Mankasim Station. A Chihuana, Chasrope, Akimo Danso, Moakona, na Dynamo, Joli Betty, Mandarina Road, Chifu Pras or more pusha bar, and Yankuma Sahin Crew, and Asiando, Sikabia Ukran, Ubenya smartphone, Ewo Golden Phones, press 0244 529 934, and 0209 208 866. Golden Phones, with some IFA.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediamus somewhere who by no, and Nasa wonum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Neddy Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who run Nipa and Yina etimi banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now pa one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Middle, answer Nadia Fia, Rampao.
Ha, a year pine 20, and I'm a Fia Shamsano.
And no see a Suprana.
A year J. Pining and call limited, and one with the sun your way in our bed just so. And yet no quampun our home, me do so to one mono, and your money say baby.
Near me bit to set down now.
Pines on and answer what then your men yet to say wine. A year parazone one and me this year.
Middle, me fan feature up to be the nephew. Now, a dear bad enough. I will rap to be easy.
Aya Kashanoa, Namedia to Apo be brain us, and Nubia, Papa Patas, soon so at to say wine.
Nancy, our one in Nampila, who our Wobia will fear happy.
Meditawo, Aya J.A. Biney snake reparent, Namedia to my sessan.
Hey, and no more near my papa.
Biney quiz open and say, what did you, Madama, well, was saying, Uhuana, I, and one swan, I made a woman child, Simun Nada.
And a way, dear, media chance ya chira mansan eh fa no mo wo
je ban wo mo nioma no wo benya bi ato wo kuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wo bu ase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so po mu atua wo benya bi e wo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643.
me dofo na nso mo din ni body say
Eye JA Binding and Call Limited.
Ja me dru ho sesia
Hele banjo. Why go? Masa, St. Andrews asembubu wayek machine biemo. Afie we die eye buta
7As, 6As, and 5As no abruso.
Enti say wo beto forms e wo St. Andrews SHS a the results ni bi na hwansa.
Afie we ye the 999 candidates and a quatrain emu 997 and a qualify ye ko university.
Wow, we die e buru adwen ene ntiase so.
Eno nti se wo school bi akọ feli poto.
E ma ne hawo kra.
For ani tremu St. Andrews SHS. Say St. Andrews ebi akwanya ama omo form 3.
Enti ma wonye ha na be fa forms na tre wasi May June exams ni bi afia ebe.
Enti masa akwanya we mpa ho fise me hu yanka na aka echi.
Enti fresisi a na je SHS 3 admission forms
0244 696911 and 0207 891004. St. Andrews SHS.
We are always
in the lead.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti. Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti. Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
I see one girl for Ace last night. She told me straight she was in my type. She didn't know me, I came with my guys with the tear money on top the floor like mice. We will play other girls like FIFA. Today I knock less with me, my nigga. Normally I don't like to the jam too much on my song. Fireboy take over. When you want me, when you want me, I'm in San Francisco, Miami. When you want me, when you want me, I just flew from Miami. Peru, Make I just tell you my rules. Me, I don't like to booze, sip on my juice. Looking for girls with boobs. Nothing extra I could do, just catching my cruise. DJ play my music, make the fine girls put their cameras all on me. Make I do selection. If I see somebody, make your like straight to action. Yeah, hey, what's your IG? Make I like, make we vibe just tonight. Make us spicy up your life with some. If you don't like me, make you not like me. But if you love my music, just hype it. Took so much energy to write it. Now my life beat, yeah. When you want me, when you want me, I'm in San Francisco, Miami. When you want me, when you want me, I just flew from Miami.
AMG, baby.
Alvin on the beats.
Forget to your one. Ah boy. Ah boy. You know what time it is. Ah boy. Yeah. Ah boy. Big nation. Ah boy. Yes. Ah. Up in the bomb ready. Stone boy. And Kasa. Let's talk do more. Me a roll up me thing in the corner. Them this spread rumor. Rasta Beji Magana. Pick up the ghetto you them from Honolulu to Ghana. Yeah. See we the bun few more. I get in our nose it on ya. Any man try kill we vibes, we no work with them. I know them where we a work with. Any man try stop we smile, we no work with them. I know them where we a work with. Bafira, la la li la lo, la 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 li la lo le. Bafira, I just come out my eye 'cause I see many past this one. Bafira, la la li la lo, la 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 li la lo le. Bafira, I just come out my eye 'cause I see many past this one. Many rise, many fall, many price, many dull, many sacrifice, but some get all, some they wrap it up to go PayPal. Anyway, so long as we live and pray, Jana lead we astray. Don't look back, don't take chat, just kill them in a million ways. Bafira, la la li la lo, la 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 li la lo le. Bafira, I just come out my eye 'cause I see many past this one. Bafira, la la li la lo, la 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 li la lo le. I just come out my eye 'cause I see many.
Give me trouble, boy, I swear you lie. If you know fit handle, please don't waste my time. I don't wanna be your side chick, I wanna be in charge. Need a man to hold me tight up throughout the night. Oh, drama, hold me. Tebiana, hold me. Oh, drama, hold me. And now back to coupe. Makani so say, hey, Ubeti coupe. Langa coupe. Ay, Makani so say, and now Ubeti coupe. Hey, Ubeti coupe. Langa coupe. Ay, boy, you just like the sun, you always come and go. Even though you not gonna be around, baby, let me know. Ay, 'cause I get too much love from my heart, only you that I want to show. Your love in they catch me like fever, and I'm getting cold. I don't even run on my yo. I do want mama worry yo. My home matia, my fuck atia, the too many I come in qua. I don't even run on my yo. I do want mama worry yo. My home matia, my fuck atia, the too many I come in qua. And now back to coupe. Back on this so say, back to coupe. Langa coupe. Ay, back on this so say, and now back to coupe. Back to coupe. Langa coupe.
Me, I got the vibe thing. My baby fine. I tell you this one be the vibe. Every woman is a superwoman. Every woman is a champion. We know be nobody. If them know they our body. Yeah. Aye. Mama, yeah. Mama, yeah. NCO. Yeah. Mama, gaga. Mama, gaga. NCO. Yeah. Really would see them, mommy. Everlasting. Yeah. Really would yeah, mommy. Everlasting. We go do chaka, baby.
Daddy Beats Classic.
Abena, Ekyaba. I gave you my heart and soul, but you took me like a fool. Every day and night, or see up in a tintin. Say you could die not just so, or see up in a tintin. Yeah, I feel way Jimmy Jiga. No hits and buttons, so we try better pega. No hits and buttons, I feel way Jimmy Jiga. No hits and buttons, so we try better pega. No hits and buttons, love at first sight. Now me home wa better, or they cast it in a crock wrong qua. Now me home wa better. Oh baby, Joe baby am I am out. 360, 180, me jam out. Oh baby, Joe baby am I am out.
Them say you know what you do, where you do them trouble.
one of the figures say we no go do. If you now we do one with the skin pain. What's it walk up them I say now who be you? Nako pona dumti with them maintain. Stand up with yourself on me pressure. Just a canon kwana come and I'm from. Now so Jehovah name me protector. Yeah me baba you no so for shen come. Now she run a young tongue. Oh win that. Yeah we best go quit me no me to spin text. Tell it we be critical thinkers. Yeah we and come go to kwana come singlet. But time for no one me to one last year. But I feel the one boy me a queen law. Fine, fine, oh, watch your love for like it, why not more than, your body, check it, push it in my dick, Kabalo, see, leg, why now, my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm not damn easy, baby, why you want to give me control, if you want to get already, I'ma make up my eye, life, we gon' make happy. We go the alley, yeah. We go chop life, we go make high. Also we go carry. But I wanna answer again, and in the air all of the bad man them. Give thanks for life again. We go take them to the dance hall again. Time and time again, if we fall we go rise and fly again. Money go come again. I love it. Let me know. I great make we bust champagne. Forget about the worries, girl come dance again. Why that body again?
And enemy TV dancer machoke. You call the coke naya. Hey. Right, so why you ready, Anna? Why you ready, Anna? Yankwana. Right, file phone. Phone is to say, so what Pomadi and now your bank one, they are still stress. My money can't phone, are you ready to see? But in the meantime, walk a hair back clinic, walk a hair back clinic, walk a hair back clinic. I say, I'll be a chance to be out. If I try to fear that, you come weekend. What would you in the idea? Make sure, say, I won't fire the real rabbit can in the moon. And to call walk a hair back clinic, you see, and near 2 years and say typhoid, malaria, syphilis. In fact, sexual weakness is over to us, yes, skin rashes, infertility. It's Shofa Kobwa Hell Back Clinic, you make sure. And a sa a yamutu and our first way you muka. Ever to us, yes, stomach or stomach pain in a bit to us at one time. Wakwa make sure, and as a Wakwa tea make sure, now you won't miss pen hell back team so ho. The shop brushes here. Brushes here now for yes, I are. Yarabia to be an Fabadan and Wakwa Helba Clinic. I watch him on Bangalore, Ahmodo Junction, the Jabwati Fioha. Friend was 0240226924 and 0248503189. Now we'll try out to see here. Now, Unique Diploma College in Social Brashes here. Unique Diploma College, Emma Scholarship, 50% scholarship, Edema first 50 students. I'll pick your forms from now to 28 February. About your pick your forms now for a diploma in accounting and finance, diploma in human resource management, diploma in marketing and advertising, diploma in customer service, diploma in project management, and for a diploma in business management and administration. And to Brian Strays, you say I will pick your forms. They offer 6 months to 1 year UK professional diploma, equivalent to HND. After Unique Diploma College, Ubenya Akwenya Akwa University of your choice. You may admit you our level 200 or level 300. National services are assured after completion. And the Unique Diploma College, Sukua. In fact, Ghana by associate. Makacho was a first Oko private school, and I am to show Juma 7 years, but it's here the Ghana Damaroma. Ghana Bandaroma Sadi and the new hobby. And to call private Unicra. What Quenya Saubetimaya Benjuma. Mesro, called Unique Diploma College is here. Now for a now Sukunya scholarship in Nibia, Mandy Legra. You watch more than the weekend classes. Numerenzo and a regular. Your hostel facilities and a boy that from Kama Your certificates are recognized in the whole world. You don't need to be afraid. say we are baby now set no team fan ko baby ah there be Unique Diploma College be sort out one time pa Unique College in so me pa cho wo pese wo tro wasi so hwe ni bi o anasen of deck here wo tro general art and business and visual home economics great general science ning na fa dia Mr. No by Unique College you watch him on Kwame no way go filling station ho na obehu yen me ba cho bra ya ka cho say 8 A's is assured on pay we na pay the friend 0540779363 0540779363 0540779363 and I would try out to see Brooms Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. You go so I to books ni crayons ni rulers ni mathematical set ni ade graph book ni aye to tobi ni ade me fa chop men kwa ya no monchan be bu ya discover be beto so o pen for so be right nchen kakre bia no nya books be 18 o ya no monchan we nya books be miensa pe me fa chop ya watch mo na opposite Ghana Commercial Bank supermarket ho an ye wo me fa chop an brasisi an me to books. In fact, Cessna reaching now the Toby for 4 Opa Sawu to cotton so it's allowed. The Brassisia for 0244293632 and 0203083031. Now for Jewody. Why you ready, Anna? Me pa cho your birthday, happy birthday, Kessia Pine come out. You share the same birthday with Kobe Runner. Kobe Runner, yeah, so Kobe Runner is a famous world music singer who was born on January 28, 1986 in Ghana. Right, so he is a singer, director, actor, choreographer, a producer who is known for writing and directing Kiss Me If You Can. He won Ghana City People Entertainment Awards for Best Movie Director of the Year for the movie I Do in 2015. He studied theater arts at the University of Ghana. So Kobe Runner was born in Kumasi. He's 36 years today. In fact, you can't hate Kobe. Never. You can't hate Kobe Runner. You see, despite all the gay rumors around him, you still can't hate him. I love Kobe for one reason. I mean, he's serious when it comes to work. Very dedicated guy. Kobe Runner is 36 years today. Happy birthday. It's a wild do birthday. We are share some birthday with Kobe Runner. Happy birthday. Come on, wild do birthday, Nebiano. Right, Jewding 0554820910. 0554820910. We are quite the pound for a man and one sip stress. Me pa chop man na be ma me sra man frɛ but opama de na your bank one dia twabi tum se say Jewding ma me hu ba bia wo hye o shop na wa hefa then ya churagu animo 0554820910. I'm body bill 0554820910 and now for 0201944485 and no I vote that form right mami to me bo right into no 0554 820 910 right right here they move to me fresh is here at the pound for you cow on the idea friend no Judy o share him fan o shop na say catch him baby our shop na say 0554820910 0554820910 that for now for your TC member so I don't pama dia na your bank one dia no twa ya tum sisi no hu baby a wo she no be use up pama man na member nyoma then ya chogu store na nim my phone number dey obo a ombo okay you know my uncle phone line is not for you ase ni jijingu ni ade ya me show your first talk as a friend
FM sewa mi kasafi odan Jubilee
sewa yeah, so I'll take me.
I'm sure.
Right, shop on that shit here from we pump the
yeah, well, Jubilee, a chair, Virgin in San Juan, I find it.
Right, Munjimudi.
I come on the man them my suit wedding and Bibia. Maybe Madam your friend Madam Joy for a heavy pan.
A heavy pan. Madam Joy, so a heavy pan. Right, what's that say? Also a heavy pan. Madam, a heavy, I say a heavy pan. Your friend saying, what's your hand, Judy?
I said the phone, Yanni, back up.
I said the phone, Yanni, what to me? I say, Mamma. What about Judy?
Many of us know. AKA was the wine. At last, I will come and so Memphis. No, I'm a more yet more. One you boys for them. Or to keep up back. Well, I got the boys. Boys to keep boys.
Right.
Well, how do we say?
What's it?
And then you have for 1 week. Of a towel. And you didn't 1 week at last and the background.
Now, Judy, what's up for the way? What's up for the way, Judy?
I got to speak as well. I said, when you know him back up with it, what's on him? Now, the man of it, no friend. 244.
And there be one of my own more. I said, the phone and what, Tomra? One of my own more, Mr. Judy. Where your banana, mama? Hello? Debbie. We watch a moment, Tomra. I'm on Tomra. Mrs. Opama, the answer, we or bank on the Mr. Simstress. Mamus will tell her for one day, Baba. It's Munja Mamma, and me patch or Judy.
Hello.
Yeah, Judy, you're frozen.
Good afternoon. Morning.
Good morning. You're frozen, I was saying.
Salome, you're not made to bomb.
Salome, what's up, Wayne?
No, bus stop.
Bus stop? Mo pam Danny.
Oh, yeah, palm wedding. And then a month, I'll be up from the other pop engagement. BBI from your country, the heavy song.
Right, Marty. Bus stop, wow. Ramunjumudi, Modo, some Jumudini, the uncle.
I pay for this to a babu and a babu. Joanna, your madam is a heavy song.
Madam, near heavy pound.
Yeah.
Oh, Shakawa.
Oh,
me Busan, as a Busan, okay. Can you send me send you me done why? All right. Ozzy. Yeah, hello. Shawo 7 control 7 Shakawa. 0554820910. Judy. What you so Judy? That be you a film. What's what you so Judy? Hey, what to me, Mr. Womankwa? There be. At the pound for man, you show me. At the pound for man. Remember, Munya Bodre, what to me, Uncle? You had me in your babu. My father, see, Nana Cone. My family, your friend said Judy. Lydia, Abu shop, no, I found Abu.
They pass Abu Principal Street in KNL fashion.
Munjumudin.
I heavy pa.
Modos for home.
I
Bobomudin, Bobio Hobiadin.
Esther, if you have Abu Cordia in Muya. And I all well. Asa.
All right, when you have you on.
Then I heavy fire.
With Judy. What's that do? 0201944485. 0201944485. Jaba for 2 pay. And MTN 0554820910. Be my ofra oboa. Editing be count. Be count is ya. And then on Friday, there's a bro legendary me pacho Judy.
Hello.
Judy, sweetheart.
Epacho, good morning.
Good morning, my Joso, Judy.
Epacho, now that the pump for the hairdresser for so the everybody day.
Mamu sure ba enche. Why hairdresser for everybody is here? Why?
Yeah,
all right, munya wotre. And then the pump for man and kwa. Hairdresser for munya wotre. In fact, mamu ton yo got munya wotre. Mamu ton koko, mu to koko ukro munya wotre. In fact, so also to office anya wotre. Oti provision store no anya wotre. Aye juma nti ebeso obi aso. Baby a wo hye bia ebeso so. So we juma nko ade a mesero nya wotre. Ebeso so pa. Titru ni kokofo munya wotre. Mo to kokofo no yanko ye bekọ unim. Kokofo de ne de be fra ye de man be fra se ne be kefo wetim afre. Ohun. E ko kokofo man nko kefo ntimi fre. Se bekọ kokofo man me na kefo wetim afre bi. Se a kefo kokọ business no. E ko so fa. All right. So 93.3 of 32 after 11. My former company for your phone property. Ya G di any telephone. We got telephone man so and Jemunya would. Next week, Friday, next week they say what? Your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, penny in yes, I have Friday. I see Mamu ye tree hairdresses. You remember my music? I'm a far last call away. Me pa Judy uncle. Judy. Hello.
Good morning.
Hey, where you be man now bow person here 419. Kasa here na bitia.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Joyce, what's the shine?
Maybe a drinking sport, madam for panic, DJ Nancy.
What's it what you drinking sports? What that for panic, DJ Nancy?
I go away.
Yeah, squad no Buzano. What's the wine? Grover. What squad? I don't have you.
Anna.
Coffee ajili kahwana.
Coffee ajili opoku.
Hey. Me ba jamo bi afre bi o. What shall line up on there bana? What's it be a drinking sporty? Hey. Alright, you know my uncle legendary so and if I can't watch your friend on Nathaniel Titomi. Right, so when your friend is I mean what did maybe I would be who know. Alright, so Nathaniel Titomi aka Kokovelli was born to Prince Titomi and Mavis Ofosu Apia in Accra. He had his elementary education at Dactus International Complex, moved to Morning Star, and later proceeded to Reach Church School. He then had his secondary education at Infantipim Secondary School. Kokovelli was once a student of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Right, Kokovelli went to uni. Those days in Kofosu school, no a couple of Babwa. Kokovelli confronted him and then further his education at Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. So whilst in school around 1998, he used to perform at shows with his friends. I mean, they actually encouraged him to go into music because they saw something very unique in him. Alright, so the young gem who was in the same rap group as Obo and Abega. Alright, so initially his parents was not in supportive of him doing music, but later gave on the maximum support, which led him to the birth of his first self-produced album titled Zaza. Hey, Cocovelli. So he was first managed by Bulare, and later his manager Bulare secured a deal with Agicote Records by selling the album to Agicote. Cocovelli was given an hour on Ghana television, GTV, to teach the public the Zanzan dance on July 1st, 2003, which landed him into being part of the Trinity Crown, which consisted of Cocovelli himself, Samini, and KK Fozu. Yeah, Trinity. Sango for me and Zambi back in the days. We used to listen to their music. I'm a lover of music, so I listen to these people, from way back. So due to his remarkable performances and phrasing on dance floor, he was also invited to perform in London, Italy, USA, and France, where he captivated crowds with a strong stage presence and clever wordplay. So he was nominated for the new Artist of the Year, Best Collaboration Song of the Year, Artist of the Year, Hip Life Song of the Year, and Hip Life Artist of the Year at the Ghana Music Awards 2002. In Italy, he picked up an award for being the best Ghanaian artist and won other awards such as New Artist of the Year, Hip Life Song of the Year, and Hip Life Album of the Year. In 2007, the Trinity released a single that was meant to usher in their comeback, but the comeback never happened. So in 2007, that was the end of the Trinity. And KK Fosu, Yanshadante, but Samini is still in the game. Cocovelli is still not around. Alright, so this is Cocovelli, Zaza. Let's go.
ba obetire wo se mayuano yada wonti asedi akobi sanje kiwo wa mofio tina mayuano filio mi wa fo wa ajo abruwa kusia efia ya se wa ma eno wa ama tuma this wa any ida for I ye be chidem ya line up Miss Africa ye be say talata sadia ana me muna mo fefo yeah cool
African woman your love don't stain my body African your beauty I want make you be my baby African woman your love don't stain my body African your beauty I want make you be my baby come give me sugar come give me loving come give me sugar make you wanna feel come give me sugar come give me loving come give me sugar make you wanna feel
yo bin chawano da kuchi eye true e mayuano e bi no pesico make so e bi no wa botile wono crop and we here na ma obeti am foni wa free hang free Ghana free hang Angola free hang Nigeria free hang Ghana free hang o yama Africa na you di machi what the pearl fedia o dan ho bottom power o ni hia di redia
Right, so music of the man Cocovelli, Nathaniel Titome.
African woman your love don't stain my body
Alright, I think some kind of one some kakracho. I mean these are facts.
African woman
probably you never knew about Cocovelli. So once again, ne mama ne papa. A friend of Papa Prince Titomi and then mommy Mavis Owusu Apia. He was born in Accra. And then he had his elementary education at Dactus Complex. Moved to Morning Star and later proceeded to Ridge Church School. And then had a secondary education at Infantipim Secondary School. So Cocovelli was once a student at Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology.
Can't give me sugar.
Hey, can't give me sugar,
baby. Won't you be my lesbian? African woman, your love go kill me. Sweet and your beauty, African woman, your love don't stain my body.
But I wish you had a mom fella be.
Beauty, I want make you be my baby.
I could say the part and I saw the fella be ba. But me so mama fella be. But I can't fella no mama. Enche re-wedding be because Tio re-wedding. I go see about Nangasa dream. We can't Nangasa dream. Alright, so give me this song. My favorite song, Mr. Drew, Seke and Medical. I love that song.
The mid-morning show, Have a blessed day. Send
El Chemano, more than Rambo, come on.
Yes, I can. Don't be late. I gonna sonti and them. Yeah. Ulele. Yes, I can. Don't be late. I gonna sonti and them. So, are you a bomber? Yes or no? If you your girlfriend, make her know. Boys, we go carry. Party about them, feel 'em for body. You the feel 'em for body. Oh.
sometimes I am busha me who say rape. Like what at all did this thing inside? Are you a bomb? Like oh we see Kenina, why do you still have to go and rape someone? You see Cocovelli can was there was a time and who issues be by Lady B Americans and Cocovelli in Namuphobia rape putting the idea and come be there. But I mean meaning so what the also in the US about Chris Brown. Esika for be move sometimes. There be o challenge na yen ni capre cry. You go review ba. Chris Brown. Right, so Chris Brown slapped it. $20 million. I beg your pardon. $20 million lawsuit over alleged rape. Now there was a time some read is it Drake? Yeah, me share Drake maybe. So Lady B say money Drake are having sex now on your crown and you say hey Drake DNA the open child support. And Drake say Ampa we had sex, but you know what? Condom no or the social gum. Oh yeah, no the social gum. The lady Nico can was say yes, we have sex and then he took off the condom. The two trash can was then until no lady did say also cover condom ni share sperm snake akra sabi you and the corners it news and the Drake say come on this first need to mean you more me this was share go ade no more I was me say re-wedding me because man can pre-wedding me say re-wedding akosi ade for the mass for what to say baby abako me say what the fella about me say mama me tie for fella pre-wedding me because we be chire na me am chire pray
ono na ka na se
there be me say also me say re man no for me re-wedding say re-wedding say I from na akoso de da ena egu ena ebe sa akoso biom okay akoso aba chire ma na atopa hin bo nchirem
minimo
atopa bo nchirem na
be koku kwabra minim be bia ka okika fi no
okay na me bo nchirem the tell say okay once I go for me ma omu wo do pa mo do ba pa but when you buy obe contem what you say utie nkoma na mnu dido
bitipa
okay oni uza go see the podcast na wale wa kuna egu ni nya no suma na no ni nti na wale ni gu ye
akomi njire mu
ene me ma latest fella
okay
by the close of akoza date review
what say what ka wase na
okay say January I end the year okay so probably March mu
next 2 months
yes on any cool best have back.
Wow.
Bon semerade.
Sergio Busquets.
Any what can I say? Akantara. It's Akantara. Debut because at the palma one young Akantara Ketuano. Pedino Akantara.
David Ketuano.
Onu si Pedino. And Akantara Busquets. Okay, it's Akantara ni Busquets papa. Was settle bibia. It is here no obesa de nsane bibia for Friday.
Oba bibia janim.
Foforo. Eti ba ko ne de egu ya te ase. Ti ya fe ne ye besa ye bibia foforo. Eti ye enche ye be call wedding somewhere March mu ba bi. But men so me bro date.
Ba san so esrofo nso na.
Esrofo no o ban egu.
O ban egu.
Now nkogla de papa ba wo de sro so de. Party ya.
And the Busquets ni Sergio o mu oden.
O say ba ko no. The sell no ya hwan.
Anya Sergio.
Anya
Busquets.
Hey.
O say na say o sresre fa. Say that one o say Uncle Costi na me say yes. Man daddy want to come back.
No.
I say o me away. I say
akra ma fela.
O ba na ma me fela na ati na nusu.
Atine nusu.
O na ma me fela say man daddy wants to come. I say enumre bia daddy will come
no,
man.
Oh
wow. Eti da ya dey Charlie, what are the whites now? The coin sassing. You walk upon for
Franco.
Okay. Back on the sassing.
I see.
Okay.
And surprising.
You're papa for other pa.
Yeah.
Now, so
what I feel like.
Oh, some catch was a just a man. Oh, banana mamma feel like my camera.
I'm saying, I do Uncle Phoebe the name of a swam, dear.
Are they?
Come to me.
But okay for us, what do you?
Or see.
or starting cocoa business you on visit in shop order.
Care for your cocoa business.
Auni.
Minimum that.
Auto cocoa.
Problem to me, sir.
Oh, okay, what to cocoa?
Atopa yamba.
Care
for to cocoa.
And I will so I contain number no limit to an abo mama.
Kente.
Amo person but 2 because Tony and the other. Abo number no their mammy. Why?
For issue in the mean you.
Oh, now him.
Minimum that.
And Doc James will do you.
Oh,
and I'm or see at the Pambam shop at that, and I'm so bad.
Careful, and Nimi 1 year, and I mean, one more man, yes, I want to cocoa. And I can't bomb my money.
About cocoa business in the call mobile. And what's a son in Baba Saloon? Baba Saloon, where you free baby on Mr. Robin. Eddie Abba,
kills blue
and white.
If I said, I'm somewhat to you.
There was a summer. This year, the Abba, and if you on the friend or door rise Baba Saloon. Or door rise Baba Saloon. Me drink careful 1 minute, yes. No, door rise is in careful.
Hey, careful to cocoa.
To cocoa.
Hey, where do you bear my cocoa?
No. Net was what do we and said, they be almost a Toby and then cut one. But
some minimum casabi or customers and what would do?
Today, dear.
And come would.
Till me about chop a cocoa and cut our mobile, careful cocoa shop. And then cut. Oh, and then the Baba Saloon, so other.
He said, you're blue and white and I.
You. Careful
cocoa shop.
On your cocoa.
Ototo.
Body abre.
Body abre.
But
careful cocoa.
Yes. It's why are they uchirim? Why shop no? Cocoa nkwa ne toto. But in the Baba Saloon there. We move there baha.
Na nkate kan.
Nkate kan.
Kala no wasesa na.
Wasesa kala no so. Nti e fe no Odor Rice Baba Saloon be di na mente ase. Odor you be fan
onu be joint.
The ben joint on company. The passive form ne nko kai 4 minutes.
You kwabra ma me si for na unim say e ka ne say edwadi form ma na wo mo atem dan no. Wose dwane hye no wo mo ka so mbemo musika. Ena ne sika na e ba ye so mo achecha medwadifo ma no.
Ye se bi matena bench kwa.
Kwabra se na sika no enyo ebi omo mo nyama hye ankasa omo anya bi. Na woni file wo mo. Wa kire se empenifo na edidi anim wo no. Ya omo yire no mo nton ade wo dwomu no. Omo yire no mo kwajibi.
Chrome ha. No Friday, I'm from purchase and Chrome had the same BTV.
I just said, no one about a demonstration. Or medical press conference. No, my demonstration, no.
Medimubajim.
Now, feeling penny for no more, you're no GB. Or Mankas on Batomosaski. On
Befiaba. With the Mikram Hubajim. Now, what can tell about the mammy?